We'll guide you through how to download The Sims 4 on PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. The Sims 4 base game is free to play, so you can download it without purchasing the base game. So let's guide you through this. To get started, open your web browser and search for the official Steam website. Click Install Steam at the top, then click Install Steam again. Once the download is complete, run the Steam installer and complete the installation. Now, open Steam on your PC and sign into your account. Once you're in Steam, click on the Store option at the top and search for The Sims 4. Click on the game to open its store page, then click the Play Game button. A window will appear. Choose where you want to install the game and click Install to begin the download. You can check the download progress from the Download section at the bottom of Steam. Once the download is complete, click Play to launch The Sims 4 on your PC.